안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. This is used to say hello in a polite manner. Again, 안녕하세요 is used to say hello in a polite manner. Next word is 안녕하십니까. Again, it's 안녕하십니까. This is used to say hello in a formal manner. Again, 안녕하십니까 is used to say hello in a formal manner. Next word is 감사합니다. Again, it's 감사합니다. This is used to say thank you in a formal manner. Again, this is used to say thank you in a formal manner. 죄송합니다. This is used to say I'm sorry in a formal manner. Again, 죄송합니다 is used to say I'm sorry in a formal manner. Next word is 저기요. Again, it's 저기요. This is used to say excuse me to call the attention of someone in a polite manner. Again, 저기요 is used to say excuse me. Next word is 잠시만요. Again, it's 잠시만요. This is used to say just a second, and this can be used when you are trying to excuse yourself while passing through a crowd. Again, it's 잠시만요. Next word is 안녕히 가세요. Again, 안녕히 가세요. This is used to say goodbye when you are staying, and this is used to address the person who is leaving. Again, it's 안녕히 가세요. Next word is 안녕히 계세요, and this is used to say goodbye when you are leaving and the person you are talking to is staying. Again, it's 안녕히 계세요. Next word is 고마워. Again, it's 고마워. This is used to say thank you in an informal manner. Again, 고마워 is used to say thank you in an informal manner. Next word is 안녕. Again, it's 안녕. This is used to say hello or goodbye in an informal manner. Again, 안녕 is used to say hello or goodbye in an informal manner. 반갑습니다. 반갑습니다. This is used to say nice to meet you in a shortened way. Again, 반갑습니다 is a shortened way of saying nice to meet you. Next word is 여보세요. Again, it's 여보세요. This is used to say hello while talking through a phone. Again, 여보세요 is used to say hello when you are talking through a telephone. Next word is 사과. Again, 사과. This is simply the Korean term for apple. Again, 사과 is the Korean term for apple. Next word is 돈. Again, it's 돈. This is the Korean term for money. Again, 돈 is simply money. Next word is 맥주. Again, this is pronounced as 맥주. This is simply the Korean term for beer. Again, 맥주 is beer in Korean. Next word is 주세요. Again, it's 주세요. This is used to say please give me. So this is more likely attached to another word to say that you are asking for that certain thing. So that's 주세요. Next word is 잘 가. Again, 잘 가. This is used to say go well, or another way of saying goodbye to someone who is leaving a place. Again, 잘 가 means go well. Next word is 잘했어. Again, it's 잘했어. This is used to say be well, and this is used when you are leaving the place, and you're more likely to say this to people that are staying on that place that you are leaving. Next word is 고맙다. Again, 고맙다. And this is a way of saying thank you in Korean. Again, 고맙다 is being thankful, or simply used to say thank you in Korean. Next word is another way to say thank you. It's 고맙습니다. Again, 고맙습니다. And this is another formal way of saying thank you in Korean.